Hi, VencoreWeather.com meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Monday, May 15th. Well, a big turnaround is coming to the Mid-Atlantic region in terms of temperatures. The first 15 days of May have been well below normal across much of the nation, including right here in the Mid-Atlantic region. But boy, what a big turnaround coming by Wednesday of this week. It looks like 90 degrees is a possibility for high temperatures in D.C., Philadelphia, perhaps even New York City on Wednesday and Thursday. A big turnaround as a deep upper level low that's been sitting over the northeast U.S. for much of the time over the past couple of weeks will finally push off the northeast coastline over the next 24 hours or so, and that will just open the floodgates for much, much warmer air to explode onto the scene by the middle of the week. Tomorrow might see a rebound in temperatures up to 80 degrees for highs, and then a 90 degrees possible on Wednesday and Thursday. Here's a current look at the upper level 500 millibar height anomaly pattern here. Again, deep upper level low situated right along the northeast coastline. Notice a lot of ridging out here in the middle of the country. As we move forward, that upper level low finally pushes off the northeast coastline. This upper level ridging pushes into the Ohio Valley at first. This is now the forecast map from last night's 6Z GFS model run for tomorrow morning, Tuesday morning. All of these maps, by the way, on tropicaltidbits.com. Keep moving ahead, and again, we could see 80 degrees for highs Tuesday afternoon, and then here we are by Wednesday morning. That upper level ridging now along the East Coast. Temperatures explode to near 90 degrees on Wednesday and Thursday as well in the I-95 corridor. Notice deep upper level low setting up over here across the western U.S. over the next couple of days. This clash between the cold air to the west and the very warm air to the east could produce some severe weather right here in the Central Plains over the next couple of days. That'll be kind of a battle zone for temperatures here, with, again, cold air diving down into the western U.S. and warm air surging northeastward into the northeastern part of the country. Again, some severe weather possibilities over the next few days across the middle part of the nation. Well, how does that upper level pattern translate to lower atmosphere temperature anomalies? Well, this is the forecast map from the 6Z GFS model run for the 850 millibar temperature anomaly. Starting off colder than normal here in the northeast U.S. Despite plenty of sunshine today, it'll still be quite windy, and temperatures will remain below normal. High temperatures mostly in the upper 60s in many parts of the I-95 corridor. We should certainly be in the 70s right now. Notice this warmer than normal blob of air over the middle part of the nation. As we move forward, that deep upper level low pushes off the northeast coastline, as will the below normal temperatures, and by tomorrow afternoon we'll be pushing 80 degrees in the D.C., Philadelphia, New York City corridor, and then here we go by Wednesday morning. Very warm air surges all the way into southeastern Canada. 90 degrees a possibility here in the I-95 corridor, not only Wednesday afternoon, but Thursday afternoon as well. With this explosion in temperatures will come an increase in humidity. It'll feel very summer-like on Wednesday with more humid conditions and those high temperatures pushing 90 degrees. Notice out in the deep, the western area of the country, a deep upper level low will be plunging southward. Very cold for this time of year. That will lead to some snow in the higher elevations. And again, the clash zone or the battle zone in the middle of the country can suffer through some severe weather over the next few days. Well, let's walk through the surface forecast maps for the next few days from the 6Z GFS model run. Here we are for this morning. Strong low pressure situated just east of Maine. The tight pressure gradient continues here. Black lines represent lines of equal pressure. Very tight pressure gradient. In other words, the strong winds will continue for the next several hours here in the I-95 corridor. They should die down quickly once the sun sets tonight, and tonight will be one last chilly night with low temperatures late tonight in the 40s in many of the suburban locations along the I-95 corridor. Let's push ahead in 6-hour increments. Here we are by this evening. Notice a relaxation of the pressure gradient here in the I-95 corridor. Again, quite windy for the next several hours, but once sun sets, the winds will die down rapidly. It'll be a very cool night with low temperatures by tomorrow morning in the upper 40s in many suburban locations. But then, with plenty of sunshine on Tuesday, and this is the Tuesday morning forecast map, high pressure sitting right on top of the region, temperatures will rebound real nicely by tomorrow afternoon to near 80 degrees. Notice the isobar pattern here is showing us that winds in the lower part of the atmosphere will shift from the northwest today to southwest by tomorrow afternoon, and that will usher in some much milder air. Again, 80 degrees possible by tomorrow afternoon. Then let's move ahead to Wednesday afternoon. Here we go. Strong high pressure situated not too far away from Bermuda, kind of like the Bermuda high situation that we experience around here in much of the summer. Southwest winds on the backside of that high. Very warm, if not hot, conditions surge northeastward, and again, so will the humidity. It'll be quite noticeable on Wednesday afternoon with high temperatures near 90 degrees. Let's keep moving forward here. This is now the Thursday morning forecast map. An isolated shower cannot be ruled out late Wednesday night, and Thursday. For the most part, dry conditions and very, very warm. Again, near 90 degrees both days. There is a weak frontal system right here by Thursday morning, and that makes it into the east. Here we go now by Friday morning. A weak frontal system right here. Now, Friday will continue to be a very warm day, but by the time we get to the weekend, as that weak frontal system passes on through, we may get a few showers by Friday night and Saturday, and certainly looks like the weekend will not be quite as warm as what we'll experience during the Wednesday, Thursday, and even Friday time frame. Hottest 2 days probably Wednesday and Thursday with high temperatures near the 90-degree mark in D.C., Philadelphia, and New York. So an explosion of summer here by the middle of the week. A little bit better by the upcoming weekend. That's it for now. For VencoreWeather.com, I'm meteorologist Paul Dorian.